Congratulations, Lake Emmanuel. Today is the 22nd of November 2024. You have completed kindergarten. Kindergarten is an educational setting designed typically for children between the age of 4 to 6 to prepare them for their formal learning journey to begin primary 1. Congratulations. We congratulate your mom, Lake Flavia Teddy Okelo, for all the efforts she has given you as a loving son so that you begin your formal journey. I pray for our ancestors to bless you and you complete your formal journey you have started today. You should study and reach the destination which is written, the signpost which is written, there is no school ahead, and that is PhD. May God bless you. May our ancestors bless you now and forever.